Students who study in class 6 are going to learn science as its different branches, that is, biology, physics, and chemistry. You were studying science in previous classes. It was as environmental science. Environment includes everything around you, that is, plants, animals, and non-living things like air, water, soil, etc. Biology is the branch of science that teaches about living organisms. You have already learned about the differences between living organisms and non-living organisms in your previous classes. One of the differences is living things need food, whereas non-living things do not need food. So, food is a necessity for life and for the existence of living things. And your first lesson in class 6 is food. Where does it come from? We all take food at different intervals every day. Normally, we have 4 meals a day. That is, breakfast in the morning, lunch usually around noon time, and there is a snack in the evening, and dinner at night. And if you discuss with your friends, you will see that different household will have different dishes for different meals. Like some houses, they make roti or chapati for breakfast, and also they make dal along with that. Some household will make dosha and chutney, and there are a variety of dishes you will find among different households. And if you see about these dishes, you will see that for making roti or chapati, you need atta and water. They make a dough out of atta and water, and from that they make roti or chapati. And for the preparation of dal, they need dal, and also along with that they add some materials. From that they make that dish. And different dishes need different materials for the preparation. And these materials needed for the preparation of a dish is called ingredient. So, ingredients are materials needed for the preparation of a dish. Different materials are needed for different dishes. And this, to conclude this topic, I will give you an activity in which you have to make a table in which you have to write some of the dishes or food items and find out the ingredients needed for the preparation of each dish. For example, dal, chapati, idli, or rice. Find out the ingredients for the preparation of each of these dishes. So, today's topic we have learned about ingredient. So, ingredients are materials needed for the preparation of a dish. In the next topic, we will see the sources of each of the ingredient.